Hi, good night, folks. It is the 9th of April, 2025. I'm just going to go through a little something here with NAT64. NAT64. Okay. Take a look at this NAT router here. I have IP version 6 unicast routing on interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0. I have IP version 4 address, private address, and a NAT64 enable command on G0/1. This interface right here. I have an IP version 6 address, and NAT64 enable on the interface. To start off with NAT, I did a access list that allows anything from this network over here through the NAT to this network over here. Then I put in this statement, NAT64 prefix stateful, and this is the prefix that I will give any node coming from this network over here. Okay. Then I establish a NAT pool that is going to be on this interface over here. You must put in v4 pool, the name of the pool, and the range of IP addresses you're looking for. As you can see, they're IP version 4 addresses because they're going to be over here in this private addressing area. Then I made the NAT statement. You have to put in v6, v4, the access control list, the pool, and then overload to enable PAT, port address translation. Okay, I'm going to show you how it works on the PC. To ping this address, this .10 over here, you think you will ping this way, but it has an IP version 6 interface. It's not dual stack or anything. So you'll put in some IP version 6 here. And try ping. Oh, I forgot. You must put in the prefix. And it pings. As you can see, it translates the IP version 4 portion of the ping into IP version 6. Okay, this is not a fully IP version 6 address. It has IP version 6 at the beginning and then IP version 4 ending. So what happens is that it translates it to hexadecimal, and then it pings. I had to use the prefix in order to reach this network. So let's try this again. And it is pinging over here. Let's look at the translations. Let's ping that again. Okay, we're going to check the access list now. It's getting matches, and there should be a translation. Let's try to SSH over there then. See if there's a translation. SSH works. See if there's a translation. Not getting a translation. Oh, there you go. It's show NAT64 trans. Okay, so we're getting the ACMP. Those are your translations, and then you're getting the SSH. Okay. That's all I basically want to go through with you tonight. This part is pretty difficult, but with some time you will begin to understand. So on the PC, I'm on R2 now. I'm gonna exit. I'm back on the PC. Just checking to see if this ping still works. Ping still works. Okay, translations. Still got a transition there. If I do verbose, it will show the time left for the translations. Okay, that's basically what I wanted to show her tonight. Okay, I hope you learned something. Yeah, but when it was at Cable and Wireless, we did CG-NAT. We had some issues, but this is what we were fundamentally trying to achieve, NAT64. So I just thought I will go through that with y'all. Okay, I'll see y'all later.